Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of MissPlanIt. So glad you could join us. As you can see, our flowers have arrived in our Amazon store. We are so excited for you to see them, for you to get them, for you to use them in projects. And don't forget, go into the description. There is a free ebook with 16 projects just for our flowers. So go down to the description, click on that link, and get your free ebook. This week, we have a request from a community member, and her name is Rosalind. And she writes, "Hi, MissPlanIt. Hi, Rosalind. I'm getting married soon, and I would love to see you create another cascading bouquet like the one you did previously, but using purple roses and teal calla lilies. I am so excited. My wedding is a peacock inspired with colors that are going to be purple and teal with hints of gold. Can you recreate that bouquet for us using the flowers and colors that I mentioned above? I am so excited and look forward to seeing what you come up with. You are so creative, and I'm obsessed with your channel." Thanks, Rosalind. We are obsessed with bringing your visions to life. So this week, we're going to recreate this beautiful cascading bouquet with hints of Rosalind's peacock inspiration. So what are we waiting for, guys? Let's get to it. So we're going to use a 5-inch styrofoam half ball, a straight handled bouquet holder, and a white tulle bouquet collar to create the base for our bouquet. Now, you sometimes can find a half ball already, but guess what? If you don't, get a full ball, get your foam cutter, cut it in half. It works just as well. We're then going to cut out a center section of our foam ball so that the tip of our handle fits perfectly snugly in there. Attach it with some hot glue. So Rosalind, I'm so sorry to say I was unable to get teal calla lilies in time for your project, but I was able to get teal roses. And the procedure we use to extend the stems is the same. So we're going to cut a 20 gauge green floral wire stem. You can cut it anywhere from 8 inches long, you can cut it 6 inches long. It's really your preference. And then we're going to simply twist it around the existing stem of our rose, and that creates our extension for our cascade. Well, Rosalind, what do you think? It is absolutely stunning. The colors are beautiful. Excellent choices. Well, if you like this video, go ahead and like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every single week. And if you would like a special notification, click on that little bell right there in the corner and you will get a personal notification from me to you the moment the videos are live. Also, if you would like to send us a comment, some encouraging words, because we really could use them. The more positive, encouraging words at this time, the better for all of us. If you would like to leave us a comment or if you would like to ask a question, please go right ahead and do that. I answer the questions personally, myself, MissPlanIt, not our other team members, because that is my way of connecting with you guys and that is my way of letting you know I am here for you. So if you have a question, go on down to the comment section and leave it there for me. You can also follow us on our social media, and that would be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And if you have not already signed up for your Ebates rebate account, what are you waiting for? Even if you're not using it for your event, just using it for household things, this is the perfect time to sign up. Head on down to our description, click on it's not Ebates anymore, I'm sorry, it's Rakuten now. Click on the Rakuten link, follow the easy steps. When you're ready to shop, sign onto your account, head on over there and make your qualified purchases and receive a check at the end of the month. Guys, don't forget to head on over to our MissPlanIt shop. You can click right there in the corner and get all of your DIY planning guide needs met. We are so excited to offer them to you, so don't forget to check them out. If you would like to hang out a little bit more, head on over to our website, MissPlanIt.com, or also click in that corner, and you can hang out with me at MissPlanIt Home, which is our exclusive home channel on our website. Go ahead and go to our website, click on there, and watch me as I create projects for my own home as well as the home for my family and friends. And very soon we are going to start our spring home episodes. So very excited about that. Head on over there, hang out some more with us. Well, our time has come to an end, but before I go, I want to make sure you know that all of the links to the supplies as well as the project cost are always in the description right below our videos. Click on that upside down arrow or triangle, however you see it, and you will find all of the information for all the supplies you need to complete this, as well as all of our projects right there in the description just for you. We have an absolute blast hanging out with you. We are so grateful for you using this time to hang out with us, and we hope that we're offering you a creative outlet during this very difficult time. So just remember, always remember, when every penny counts, count on MissPlanIt. Take care. See you soon. God bless you and your family.